What's up guys, it's time, official time. The Samsung Galaxy S10 has been pretty hot in the news lately. Everything, and I mean everything we're going to be talking about in this very video is official. Coming from Samsung, no leaks or rumors. This is everything that happened today and this week's videos. But yeah, the triple cameras are confirmed to happen with the S10 and S10 Plus. Next up is the confirmation of the 4 Galaxy S10 models. We know from the start that Samsung is working on 3 Galaxy S10. Samsung Galaxy S10 is expected to come with a 5.8-inch Edge display and a dual rear cameras. Now we have heard that this model will also going to have triple camera sensors, but as posted on XDA, it could actually have dual cameras because Samsung wants to make the S10 Plus to stand out more compared to the other models. The Beyond 2 S10 Plus will rock the largest Samsung flagship display, coming at 6.44-inch display size, defined by getting the expects the large 2 S10 models to include an in-display fingerprint scanner, and the small model will have the fingerprint scanner on the side. Yes guys, on the side, for the first time on a Samsung phone, we will see a fingerprint scanner on the side, a thin fingerprint reader, but that didn't happen, and that rumor has returned for the second time that Samsung might be merging the Note and S lineup, which means that the Galaxy Note 9 might actually be to the Korean media the bell. They are always the first one to report a lot of Samsung news. Samsung's vice chairman Jay Lee is looking to merge the Galaxy S flagship lineup and the Galaxy Note family in order to improve the profit app S4. And thanks to its these 2 colors happened the last time with the Galaxy S6, if I remember correctly. For the back design, the triple cameras are happening. I've actually seen a CAD camera leak with spec sheet information and everything, and I'm not allowed to share it. It's said to be coming from someone at Samsung, and it confirms that triple cameras are happening 100%. And furthermore, according to that leak, it's going to be a horizontal triple camera setup. So we're gonna see a wide bezel is bigger than the bottom bezel because of the components such as the camera, but the bottom one will shrink to possibly half the size of the Galaxy Note 9's bottom bezel. Half of the Note 9's benchmark for the Snapdragon 855 processor is leaked, and this is going to be the same chipset inside of the S10. And I gotta say, we have not so exciting scope. 5G antenna chipset will be provided by Samsung wireless division and local communication chip maker GigaLane. So it's a good news that Samsung is bringing 5G with the Galaxy S10 Plus, a separate 5G model, and it's going to be released where the 5G will be available. I mean, if there is no 5G in your country, then the S10 Plus 5G will be useless. So it depends on that. And yeah, that's all we have on the Samsung Galaxy S10, all the leaks and rumors. This is the lab design. One of the variants
will be having 5G on board, and it's pretty much checking all the boxes, triple cameras. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.